Unveiling the beauty of flurries to remember. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, flurries to remember. This expression is not just a collection of words. It's a picturesque language gem that beautifully combines nature with emotions. Join us as we explore its meaning, usage, and the rich imagery it evokes. Perfect for English language learners looking to enhance their vocabulary and comprehension skills. First, let's break down the phrase starting with flurries. In its most literal sense, flurries refer to light snowfalls that come and go quickly. It's not just about the snow. It's about the fleeting, transient nature of these snowfalls. They're not intense or lasting, but they can transform a landscape, even if just for a moment. In English, the term can also metaphorically describe any kind of brief, sporadic activity or emotion. Now, let's focus on to remember. This part of the phrase adds a layer of nostalgia or significance to the preceding word. When we say something is to remember, we're stating it's worth recalling in the future. It has made an impact on us, whether through its beauty, intensity, or emotional resonance. Combining this with flurries elevates a simple natural phenomenon to an event with emotional weight. Putting it all together, flurries to remember suggests an event or moment that is both ephemeral and strikingly memorable. It's not about the scale of the event but the impression it leaves. This phrase can be used to describe literal weather events that stand out in memory or metaphorically to describe moments in life that, while brief, leave a lasting impact on our hearts and minds. To incorporate flurries to remember into your vocabulary, think of moments that were brief yet impactful. For instance, a short meeting with an old friend that reignited a cherished memory, or a fleeting experience in nature that left you in awe. Use it in sentences like, "The evening we spent watching the sunset on the beach was truly flurries to remember," to convey the depth and beauty of those moments. Flurries to remember encapsulates the beauty of transience and the depth of memorable experiences, all wrapped up in a simple yet profound phrase. It's a testament to the power of the English language to convey complex emotions and events succinctly and poetically. We hope this exploration enriches your understanding and appreciation of English and inspires you to find your own flurries to remember. Thank you for joining us, and may your language learning journey be filled with memorable moments.